Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by making a reliable backup. This protects your data if anything goes wrong. Once done, download the exact IPSWA for your device model. Mismatches fail. Make sure iTunes or Finder is updated on your computer so firmware restore tools work correctly, and connect the device. Trust the computer prompt must be accepted. Now, put the device into recovery or DFU mode. Follow device-specific key presses. This allows your computer to talk directly to the bootloader. Once your device is in recovery or DFU, open Finder or iTunes and select the device. Press Option Mac or Shift Windows while clicking Restore to pick the IPSWA manually. You choose the IPSWA to install because you're removing iOS 26 and replacing it with a signed version. The tool will extract, verify, and flash firmware. This can take several minutes. Make sure not to interrupt the process. USB disconnects during verification are a common failure point, so keep the cable secure. When the restore completes, the device reboots. You will either restore your backup or set it up as new, and you must sign in with your Apple ID to reactivate. If the process fails, first retry entering DFU and rerun the restore, then swap the USB cable or port. Bad cables often cause errors. If errors persist, use a different computer or capture the error code. That code tells you why it failed, and you can use Apple Support or Apple Configurator 2 as the next step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.